Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G87, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, press the power button and volume up, which brings up your boot options, and from here you want to hold power off. When you do, it brings up this window, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So let's click on OK. This will reboot the device and bring us into safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. So, now that we have booted almost up, there we go, you can see that things like widgets do not work in this mode, and on the second page you can see also some applications that do not work, like Lightroom and WhatsApp. For some reason Chrome is part of this, but this is because it's in focus mode. So, any application that you have installed after the setup, which basically is every application, will not work in this mode. This is designed for troubleshooting purposes. If, for instance, you're an app developer and you created some kind of application that is causing you problems to use your device, and you're just troubleshooting it and you can't get rid of it, can't fix it, and it's running in the background, you can boot your device into safe mode, and this would prevent that application from being able to do anything, as in this mode it cannot run whatsoever. So you can delete it, fix it, and once you have done so, you can again press power button and volume up, and this time around we're just going to select restart, which will bring us back to the normal mode. So, as you can see, we are now back in normal mode, but there is one last thing that you need to remember to do after you boot back into normal mode. So when entering safe mode, the device automatically enters airplane mode, which you can see it retains that after you leave it. So it automatically turns it on, but doesn't automatically turn it off for some idiotic reason. So we're going to swipe down from the top of our screen for the notification, for the toggles, and if you have this separated, make sure you do it from the right side. And somewhere in here we should have that airplane mode, there we go, visible, so you can just click on it to turn it off, which will enable your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and so on. So that's basically what it turns off. If you don't see this toggle anywhere, you can click right here on this pencil and add it by holding the toggles right here at the bottom and move it above that text right here, which would add it. So there we go. Now, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.